Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre this Friday. Behind me, satellite imagery of last night's thunderstorms that brought a fair amount of rain to the northeastern parts of South Africa. Some of these storms caused more than 40 millimetres of rain, especially so in Kroonstad and Johannesburg's Botanical Gardens. 34 millimetres was observed in Vereniging, 19 mils in Bombela and 31 millimetres in Graskop, to name a few. Now, these storms cleared rapidly overnight. A huge thunderstorm was visible on the Indian Ocean this morning, and it was partly cloudy to begin with over the northern parts of South Africa, apart from a few thunderstorms on the border of the Northern Cape and Northwest. To the west of South Africa, a rapidly approaching cold front is making progress towards Cape Town, where it already caused a bit of prefrontal rain this morning. This frontal system is a fast-moving system, so it will only cause rain for a short period this afternoon, mainly between 2 and 4 o'clock, and all indications are that we'll have rain-free conditions by 6 o'clock this evening. The rest of the Western Cape will receive rain tonight, especially towards the south coast and up the west coast as well. Scattered showers and thunder showers are expected over the central parts of South Africa and on the Highveld once again. Isolated thunderstorms possible over the Limpopo province, Gauteng, as well as northwest and the Northern Cape. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the southwestern interior, and that's due to strong winds expected in the Overberg and the Brede River Valley this afternoon. The windy conditions are associated with the approaching cold front, and a second front is approaching behind the first one, resulting in cool weather persisting this weekend in the Western Cape, together with a chance of rain tomorrow. Strong northwesterlies today over the western and central parts, speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour in the Karoo, 30 kilometers per hour in Cape Town and in the Free State as well, with lighter winds over northeastern South Africa. Daytime temperatures in the upper 30s over the Lowveld, 34 degrees in Pretoria, and a very hot day in store over northern KZN, but it's much cooler in the western parts with a high of 21 in Springbok and 22 degrees in Cape Town. On Saturday, the cool weather persists in the west, and we're expecting light rain as far east as Port Elizabeth, with very hot and stormy conditions expected tomorrow afternoon. And by Sunday, isolated thunderstorms remain likely over Gauteng, with a bit of rain and cooler conditions along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.